Welcome to lesson number 4. In this lesson, we'll learn about rhythm. We'll also talk about time signatures and learn to count some new rhythmic patterns. Then we'll play a new song with what we've learned. So, let's get started. In the last couple of lessons, we learned to recognize notes on the grand staff in both the treble and bass clef. So now let's talk about how notes are written in time. A note that is given one count, or one beat, is called a quarter note. It uses a solid circle with a stem. Let's play 8 quarter notes on C with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A note that holds for 2 beats is a half note. It's a hollow circle with a stem. This fills the same amount of time as 2 quarter notes. Now let's play 4 half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A note that holds for 4 counts is called a whole note. This is written very simply as a single hollow circle with no stem at all. Let's play 2 whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are quite a few other types of note values that we'll talk about later, but for now, we can play a lot of music with just the quarter, half, and whole notes we just learned. In music, the quiet parts between the notes are often as important as the notes themselves. The space where no notes are played is called a rest. Just like notes, rests come in different values. Let's take a look at a quarter rest. Just like a quarter note, a quarter rest lasts for 1 beat. Let's play some quarter notes on C, with each note separated by a quarter rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, rest. 3, rest. Now let's play another one that's a little more challenging, reading along with the music as you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest. 4. 1, 2, rest. 4. 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, rest. 3, rest. A half note rest lasts for 2 beats. It looks like a small rectangle sitting on top of the middle line of the staff. Let's play another simple exercise, this time with our left hand using half notes and half rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, 2, half, rest. Now let's play another one using both quarter and half rests. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest. 3, rest. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, rest. 3, 4. Half, rest. 3, 4. Just like a whole note, a whole rest lasts for 4 beats. It looks just like a half rest except it hangs from the bottom of the middle line of the staff. Let's play one last exercise using quarter, half, and whole rests, along with quarter, half, and whole notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, half, rest. 1, 2, rest. 4, whole, note, rest. 1, rest. 2, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that with just a few simple values for notes and rests, you can play a lot of different rhythms. When you look at written music, you'll see that there are vertical lines separating groups of notes. These are called bar lines, and the area in between 2 of these lines is called a measure. A time signature is two numbers usually shown at the beginning of a staff to tell you two important things about the song. The top number shows how many beats are in each measure, and the bottom number shows what note value is equal to one beat. One of the time signatures used most often is 4/4. The top number is a 4, so that means there are 4 beats in one measure. The bottom number is also a 4, which tells us that a quarter note is equal to a single beat. All the music that we've played so far has been in 4/4 time, with 4 beats per measure and a quarter note equaling 1 beat. So you already know that in 4/4 time, a whole note, which lasts 4 beats, will fill one whole measure like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A measure can also be filled by 2 half notes or 4 quarter notes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can use what you've just learned to play along with a slow jazz song by going to the Play Song section of this lesson. The song uses the C, F, and G chords we already know, along with bass notes in the left hand. It has a simple rhythm that you can learn by reading the notation. Use the tempo slider to slow the music down if it's too fast. When you're ready to move on, you can go to Lesson 5. Also, remember you can purchase and learn songs from great musicians and songwriters from the welcome screen in GarageBand. Have fun.